After the stimulator has warmed up for at least 30 minutes, you can compensate the offset of the output mode you selected. It is important to know that the offsets might vary in the different output ranges. Therefore, correct the offset in the output range you will be using in your experiment. To demonstrate this, we switch to timed mode and correct the offset in voltage output mode. The connected model cell is also set to voltage. Now we look at the output signal of the model cell and use a flat screwdriver for offset correction. We try to get as close as possible to 0. Before correcting the balance, make sure that the offset is properly adjusted. Then switch to direct mode and disconnect any inputs from the ISO-STIM. Now we look at the output signal of the model cell and use a flat screwdriver for balance correction. We try to get as close to 0 as possible.